How to remove from watchlist on Plex. Are you on Plex and want to clean up your watchlist? Maybe you added a movie or show but no longer want it listed. Then Plex allows you to easily remove items from your watchlist. So in order to do that, first of all, open the Plex application on your smartphone or tablet and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on this little bookmark kind of an icon and it will take you to your watch list. To delete the movie or show from the watch list, go ahead and select the movie or TV show and then you'll be able to see this info section. From here, click on Remove from Watch List to remove the show or movie from the watch list. Repeat this step for every other movie or TV show you would like to remove from your list, and that's it. That is how you can easily remove from watch list on Plex. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.